Hi everyone, today we'll crochet this super easy to make flower for Christmas tree. You can decorate your Christmas tree and you don't need actually to use a starch or anything. This is very sturdy, so you don't need any glue or starch to use at all. You just crochet and it is ready. And I'm using my hook as number 4, and for this project I am using a metallic ribbon. Need more directions. This is right here. Super easy to make. Let's make a slip knot, and here we go. And we do not want to make it tight. And now chain 8. So I have 8, and we'll connect into one circle. And I probably go with that first one. This definitely feels different. Now we'll chain 7. Make a double crochet. I'll go into this stitch right here. 1 double crochet. I chain 4. And I'll go with double crochet. Do this. And another 4. And double crochet. And continue like this. Again 4. And double crochet. I hope I didn't do this too tight. And 4. And double crochet. So we have 1 2 3 4. Okay, so we need All right, and I will make 4, so I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want one more, so I chain 4, here. So 1, 2 into this. With a slip knot. And I can do this one like this, and then hide that one, and hide this, and it's gonna be my flower. Thank you so much. Please subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.